Are you looking for a digital platform that will guide you step by step from logo creation, supplier sourcing, quality control, shipping and customs clearance? Search no more. China Importal is here. Welcome to the Global from Asia TV series. I'm Shaina, and today we are going to review China Importal. What is China Importal? China Importal is a trusted e-commerce solutions for startups to small to medium-sized businesses all over the world. They offer guides and advices on supplier selection, company verification, and on buying from Chinese suppliers. Starter Package is their flagship product. China Importal webinars. These webinars are for free access. Most of the demos and lecture will only take an hour or two. They will help you through your products, shipping, safety requirements, and trademarks. You can view their website and look for a time that is perfect for your schedule. Remember, spots are limited only. China Importal also has a free webinar every Tuesday. You have the opportunity to ask questions to their team of experts with anything that relates to Asia importing. It is guaranteed that they will answer your questions. China Importal Starter Package. The China Importal Starter Package is a set of online tools that allows e-commerce businesses to import products from Asia, either from their home or from their offices. The following components are provided: tutorials, videos, and task list. China Importal provides digital manual through their tutorials, videos, and task lists. They believe that their customers use the tutorials as a guide to learn the process, guiding through safety standards, and request support from the China Importal staffs. Online consulting. Directly on the website. Queries regarding buying from China are all taken care of by their experts who are willing to help you each step of the process. Just simply log in, post a ticket with your questions, and within 48 hours, they will reply. You can find everything from one dashboard. Payments, book shipment and quality inspection, document template download, and other important features are found in the dashboard of China Importal. Their starter package covers the following product categories: the general category, apparel and textiles, children's product, watches, jewelry and accessories, LED products, electronics, kitchen utensils, and furnitures. Premium access and China Importal prices. It is best that you will have a premium access to all of the essential tools to manage the import process by yourself from home or office. When you have the premium access to those features, you will have import manual, product safety manual, shipping and tax manual, importer assistant, supplier list, book QC and shipping, document template, material guide, and lastly, a video library that contains more than 20 videos that covers the whole import process. Why choose China Importal? Because in China Importal, you can order your starter package directly from the website. You'll have an easy access to a personal advisor. They offer friendly prices to small businesses, leading partner network, and in China Importal, it is knowledge-based. Want to check for special discounts and reviews from others like you? Then, head on over to our review page at www.globalfromasia.com/reviews/China Importal today. See you in our next episode. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram at Global from Asia. Thanks again and see you soon.
E-commerce like over 8 years.